Hello, my name is Ayushman Singh. I am a dropper in Neet aspirant. My dream is to become a doctor.
Hello, I am Roshan. I am a NEET aspirant. I travel 40 kilometers every day from my home to coaching.
I'm Simran. I'm a NEET aspirant. I used to wake up 4 a.m. and walk an hour to my classes.
I am Ganesh. I am a Neet aspirant. I have to take 3 buses to reach my coaching center.
I'm Manvi, I'm a NEET aspirant. I sleep in my classes mostly because I get tired in the travel.
I'm Nikhil. I'm a NEET aspirant. I have to stand 1 hour in bus every day to reach my exam center.
Hello, I'm Karthik, a NEET aspirant. I come home tired every day after traveling and couldn't prepare for NEET.
I'm Shruti. I'm a NEET aspirant. After long hours of traveling during the day, I struggle to study at night.
I am Prince. I am a NEET aspirant. I used to travel 25 kilometers to write a test.
Many students spend 2 to 4 hours daily commuting to school, coaching classes, and back. Travel fatigue leads to poor concentration, leaving little energy for self-study and focus. Every year, millions of students face this overwhelming challenge and get burned out during NEET exam. Every second count using MemoNeet. Prepare for NEET from the comfort of your home.
Start smart, start with MemoNeet. Download the MemoNeet app now.